Welcome back to Saigon, Vietnam. It is bright and early in the morning. I'm not feeling at all like a retired dude today because I got, ooh, look at those yummy snail soup. I got a lot of things to do. Wow, look at the breakfast everyone's having. They're eating a famous kind of seafood soup, bun siu, and it looks really yummy. I need to get a haircut because I'm looking super shabby. I want to ask this guy if he can give me a haircut. And I've been here before. Hi, xin chào anh. Xin chào anh. Tụi mình hopped up? Yeah?
Hair.
Yeah, we cut hair?
Yeah.
The vlog okay?
Okay.
Okay, Japan. This is amazing. So I actually came here once, Too Heart of Darkness, saw this dude, and he was closed after I had my beer, like a lazy bum. But today I think we're gonna get sorted. Xin chào anh. Wow.
Where you from?
I'm from Canada.
Yeah, Canada.
What's your name? My name, Evan. How long have you been cutting hair?
Yeah.
How many years? Hot top. How many years? This is why I gotta practice my Vietnamese.
Same.
Yeah, same. Just mốt eat.
Okay.
Yeah, chup. Okay. Can you do the beard too? Mốt?
Okay.
Okay. So the last haircut we got was at 4 Rao in District 4, which is like kind of pampering. I feel like a full makeover treatment. So to be back on the street definitely feels different. It feels nice early morning though. I gotta say, Vietnam's one of the only places in the world you can get your hair cut literally on the way to work in the morning or on the way to school. We're gonna get a nice high fade in. I would say I'm impressed with the technique. He is like doing a full top clip just with a hairbrush handheld and the clippers.
Anh ơi, cắt cho em bé là bao nhiêu vậy anh?
50.000.
Để em đi khám cho nó.
Đi khám đi rồi trưa ra.
Like that, the dad just walked up and asked if he cut baby's hairs. Cute.
Ok.
Okay.
Ok.
Okay, cảm ơn anh.
Ok.
Okay, cảm ơn anh.
Good.
Yeah, very good. Đẹp trai.
Đẹp trai. Việt Nam how long?
7 năm ở Việt Nam.
7 năm.
7 năm, yeah.
3 năm.
Yeah.
3 năm.
Một vô,
Một.
2 chị em. 7 năm. Yeah. Bom 2 tuổi. Bom 2
Bom
tuổi.
hai.
Tuổi, yeah, you?
5 8.
5 tám.
5 8.
5 tám. Oh, okay.
Anh có vợ chưa? Có vợ con?
Có vài con, yeah, Saigon.
Có rồi hả?
Yeah, đúng rồi.
Có vợ Sài Gòn hả?
Uh-huh. Cô vào Saigon, we got a Saigonese wife, live in Saigon.
Ok.
Okay, cảm ơn. And tinting,
120.
120, okay. Woo. Okay, for you. Yeah, tip.
Thank you.
Cảm ơn anh, thank you so much, bye-bye. All right, so we are all clipped and sorted. It was a little over, it was Mocham High. It was basically a $5 haircut, but we gave him a nice tip. We left about 20 bucks US.